I'm lost. Where am I? I look around. Everything feels different. This city is big. I stop and think. I don't know where I am. I am here. I don't feel sure. I look around. I see the street. This city is big. I stop for a moment. People are moving. I think I am not ready. I open my bag. I look inside. I search for my phone. Here it is. I check my phone. The map is open. It looks confusing. I zoom in. I zoom out. I still don't know. I need help. Excuse me?
Yes, dear?
I don't understand my map. I have a job interview today.
Oh, that is important.
The school is John Locke School. Can you help me?
Of course, dear. Let me see the map. I know that place.
Really?
Let me show you the way.
Thank you so much.
Okay, listen carefully. Go straight 2 blocks.
2 blocks?
Yes, then turn left.
Left.
You will see the school. John Locke School on the corner.
There it is. I understand. Now, thank you so much. This is the place. John Locke School. My interview is today. Tomorrow they will decide if I stay or go.